There are a lot of emotions going on inside.
Coming to you live in Riley's mind.
And we have Samsung AI Washer that cares about emotions. Anger, when your clothes get dirty. Embarrassed because you don't know what to do. You've got Samsung AI Washer with AI Ecobubble. AI can sense fabric type. Anxious about your favorite outfit getting ruined? Your garment stays safe with AI's tailored protection. The bubbles blow out the dirt. Plus, wouldn't it bring you joy to save energy? AI Ecobubble INSIDE. Laundry outshines. Bespoke AI Laundry.
Make some noise!
Disney and Pixar's Inside Out 2, only in theaters.